welcome them. So you just log into your Gitlab, and if you want to create your project, you gotta join here. Your project can be available to the publicity, so it depends, probably internal or private, or depends on your choice. And here you start a community, so I think you better join for a community if you're new. So just registered July 29, and gonna be wants to explore kind of a community that we could contribute on. So it's loading now here, and hopefully we could contribute something. So you can charge, how about Drupal 9? Didn't match up with the Drupal community. We'll check they have. Usually they have, because this is a very big kind of yeah. So they have the agency here, and it's open. So they have Drupal Philippines here. They have Drupal Greece. So what's here in Drupal Philippines? We check. And they haven't started any project yet. There's no project, there's no sharing. They just create, but there's no project there yet. So this way you could contribute something. So my culinary. This is Greece, a lot of users. So this is the users, number of users that are being contributing. This is for the Drupal projects. And this is the Gitlab Drupal Sponsored Masters. So a lot of members. So I think more members are joining, more better. Group where they are the maintainers administer their own rules. Here is Drupal admins. Alright, and this is more a lot of groups, and we're gonna join there. We check. Joining your own community here, and this is the community we're gonna join here. So we can just click there. Prepare remote secure QR login. And migrate classes minimal HTML. Drupal forks that minimal HTML. So that's the URL there. And there we go. So there must be a code here. So you can clone or install. So it depends. So this is the minimal kind of project they're contributing. So best thing of having a community is you could learn, and more more brains are more better than one. So that's why it's that's why it's being a community. Yeah. So I'm checking here, and there are a lot of issues here. You see, issues that need to be contributed, and you can join there. And yeah, this is some issue. Cannot install with Composer. So the Drupal was this. Add my testing components. Write configure audit script. Issue credits by GitHub developers. Improve code quality report. Login starts. PHP. So this is the community you're gonna be joining. Once depends on the software you're gonna be using. So for here, a lot of comments coming here. Template easier from GitHub. Make usage for GitLab. Template easier. So this is for the front end design that I'm going to be using. Spooners, this is 1.3 RC1. Devil here. Scope of work here. I suggest developer small composers plugin. So they're gonna be adding this kind of a composer. So composer is being used for the chess programming game, and it's been very useful for creating a kind of AI you want for your program. So here is you're having here your clone is said here. For example, tricks I clone and run this command and it works. I think I get an error running composer unit, but that may be due to the RD test. So composer installed, server blah. So a lot of information you could get here more faster and earlier here. So if you haven't joined any community, you could join. For example, your community here would be, you want, most of them are WordPress. It's been run by 40% of the website, and we change here. For example, you're going to be running here, create a project here, example WordPress. This is very common that they want to continue. Yeah, see there a lot of security issue usually in WordPress. Vanilla, if you want to get some WordPress stream written and complete from the scratch. So this is in open source, and you can see the modules and the kind of versions they are using and the kind of problems they have. So this is the mobile first design. If you have some good idea, feel free to create an issue. If you don't want to code along, feel free to do some stuff and create a pull request. If you have vanilla project, you can place here and feel home. So this is for the cloning here. So we don't know what kind of version they're using here, and you need to read the readme. So this way we could find the versions and some WordPress created in so we don't see, and we see the code here. So WordPress is written and there's no versions here. But probably this one is still new. Yeah, I think this is new, and some theme are good and some theme is not yet. There's a bug. So depends what kind of community you're gonna be. Example, you what here PHP, you could find a lot of community forums there. You could join in the coding, and you could learn a lot of stuff there, and it's open source. So a lot of programmers are getting here, and if you want to learn more, you could explore. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thank you. Subscribe to our channel, don't forget.